Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science, SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper 5th of MA final. Name of the paper is Political Analysis and Research Methodology, and in this video we will talk about the problem of values regarding our subject or discipline. In our previous video we have talked about the scientific method and the main features of scientific method and steps of scientific method, and this chapter or this topic is also regarding is also correlated with that topic, because here we are talking about the problem of values. It can also be said that here we are talking about the difference between behavioralism and post behavioralism. That's mean where the facts are everything, and we are our whole aim is to our sole aim is to make our discipline more scientific, and where we do not place values and that is called value free study. And after behavioralism, post behavioralism was an approach there in our discipline where we give equal importance to both facts as well as to values. So this is the difference between behavioralism and post behavioralism, and this is the difference between scientific method and problem regarding values. So today we will talk about the problem of values. Why political scientists do not include values for their discipline, for their study or research, and why values are equally important for our subject as compared to facts. So let's start. Following the other sciences, political science also accepted value free study, that is also called as impact of behavioralism. It means that political scientists will focus on scientific study and research rather than morality, feelings, values, bias and prejudice, etc. Because using the values, feelings, impartial and scientific study is not possible, the outcome and conclusions will also be useless for our discipline. Therefore, every political scientist should be neutral as far as values are concerned. But this is the truth that this society and the world had to face many ill consequences of this approach, that is value free study, and making our discipline pure science as similar to natural sciences. Now there was no difference between dictatorship and democracy. Both were equal due to absence of values. Atrocities oppression was there across the world wherever dictatorship was the main form of the government, and political scientists could neither oppose it nor analyze it because of their value free approach. In brief, value free study means whatever you do is right because we do not include or analyze our work or function on the basis of values. We need only facts. It was an era where whole research was proved useless in terms of solving practical problems. Gradually, it increased the possibility of scientific analysis of values, and values were considered as a requirement for study or research to sort out the real problems of politics and society. Ultimate values can also be analyzed scientifically, like examine the exact nature of decisions. Those are based on values. It is also known as post behavioralism, or an approach where we place values at their where values play a significant role in our discipline. This is also known as scientific value relativism, where facts and values both are considered as having equal importance for a discipline, despite the approach that keeps facts and values separate but analyze the facts in regard of values which are related to our study or discipline along with the scientific study of our subject. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.